Now we are going to discuss about the accounting concepts, principles and conventions. As we know that there are rules to regulate the society. There are rules to regulate the subjects, like Newton's law of physics. It belongs to physics. Newton's law, everybody know that if something is thrown in the sky, that will come down on earth. It's a law. The laws are those things which are made to establish a subject. Likewise, in accounting, there are so many principles on which the bricks of accounting is kept step by step. Then this accounting subject has been now in the modern form. It means to establish any subject, we have to formulate some laws, some ethics, some rules, some ordinances. The accounting concepts, principles and conventions are the laws of the accounting subject to it establish this into the sphere of the world. Now we are writing here accounting concepts. Fundamentals are governing principles. What are these? ये होते क्या है? इसके बारे में मैंने आपको 2 मिनट पहले व्याख्या किया कि किसी भी विषय को स्थापित करने के लिए जो रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस, ऑर्डिनेंसेस या कंसेप्ट तैयार किए जाते हैं या जो स्टोन्स तैयार किए जाते हैं, फाउंडेशन स्टोन्स तैयार किए जाते हैं, जिनके आधार पर कोई विषय खड़ा होता है, उस चीज़ को हम प्रिंसिपल्स कहते हैं, फंडामेंटल कहते हैं या कंसेप्ट कहते हैं या कन्वेंशंस कहते हैं। इसके बहुत सारे और नाम विभिन्न विद्वानों ने दिए हुए हैं। फॉर एग्जामिनेशन पर्पजेस आप ध्यान रखिए कि जब भी आपको कोई प्रश्न आता है जिसमें आपको ये लिखना होता है कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, तो आप अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स के स्थान पर अकाउंटिंग फंडामेंटल्स भी आंसर दे सकते हैं। या कंसेप्ट या फंडामेंटल पूछा गया है तो आप प्रिंसिपल्स को वहाँ लिख सकते हैं। इस सब के सब एक दूसरे से मिले हुए हैं। मीन्स these concepts, fundamentals and governing principles are intermingled with each other. Some author says, some professor says, some scholar says that there are some concepts, some says there are some fundamentals, some says that there are some governing principles, some says there are some conventions. But in my views, each and every concept, fundamental principles, we cannot separate each other. Therefore, if a question is asked about to write what are the accounting concepts, then without thinking anything, you may write. If you learn the things, if you learn principles, you may write these all things into concepts. If you have you recite